Did I really just see a couple bring their kid here with a tricycle? I'm going back to see this. This is very interesting. Can't believe what I just seen. Someone said they brought their kid here on a tricycle. Oh, why did I not bring my chest cam? For goodness sake.
For goodness sake.
It turns out they're leaving the tricycle there. Because that's another thing with Henwood Falls. You don't actually know how steep it's going to be till you get here. So I've let you know, like I said already, it is pretty steep. It ain't a walk in the park.